We don't just sell bags to a guy or boxes to a guy. We sell solutions, we sell problem-solving ideas, concepts, commitment to the people, and that's what makes the difference between us and our competitors. We're a single-stop shop. Everything from the packaging to the machinery side of things, trucking, customer service, and innovation.
So really, Volm companies can handle everything, including the grading and the packaging and the bagging. And when it gets to the bag end, we have a long line of any type of bag that's out there. So Volm covers the whole gamut, from the front door to the back door.
We feel we do give our customers a quality product at a fair price. And the quality starts with raw materials, goes into workmanship, through logistics to delivery.
The defining items that we look at are making sure that the materials are made so that there's no defects. We look at functionality. We want to make sure that the customers are getting something that's not going to stop them from packing.
Because that one bag can stop their entire facility's production. And we need to be there for them. We need to have a product that won't fail.
You can see the package is better, it displays better. You don't have burns, you don't have creases, you don't have dirty print. We just make a better package.
It's all about quality. The quality of our fabrics, the quality of our bags has really allowed our customers to go from one level to a higher level.
The difference between a Volm product, besides the standard answer of, oh, it's dependable and we stand behind it, I think the big key is that Volm and Volm salesmen, more specifically, are dedicated to finding the right answer for their customer.
And we came up with the form, fill, and seal solution that gives them a package that displays better on the produce shelf aisle. And it just helps them sell their packaging. There was nobody else that was doing it at the time like we did it. We took a little different approach to it and came up with something that has helped people sell.
Volm is much more than just somebody we buy bags from. They're a partner in our business. They care about what they do. They really research who we are and what our customer base and what we're trying to get across to them. And they come back with us with ideas, innovation of how we can meet their needs. And so they're much more than just a supplier.
I think when people think of the name Volm, they think of more than just a packaging product. They think of a solution from the packaging to robotics to scales and weighers to the design people we have on staff that can go out and help a guy lay out an entire packaging facility to how we lay out their graphics on their artwork and we make their brands pop and make them look better.
The products that Volm brings to the consumer that are made here in Antigo, Wisconsin are sold throughout the U.S. from corner to corner, top to bottom. Be it a produce bag, be it a shade cloth or a tech mesh type fabric, it's throughout. We've seen them in Olympic Games, we've seen them at baseball stadiums as they're being constructed. We see it on a Friday night home football game.
Can you see how good the potatoes look in the bag? Are you going to buy the one that you can't see? Or are you going to buy the one that looks fantastic? We make the fantastic bag.
There is probably only 5 major suppliers to our industry of packaging that have a true effect in the industry, Volm being one of them. And there isn't a company that I deal with that I don't offer our bags to and say they're going to pack for me. And I say you can pick up your packaging from Volm. There's never been a question about the integrity in Volm or the pricing or the service and quality. And it makes our job a whole lot easier when I can go to my suppliers and say, hey, I'm going to send you a skid of bags to take care of my customers. And I say it's coming from Volm and they say not a problem.
There's not that many bag manufacturers left in the country, and there's not many people that do what we do in the United States left, so we get to really make an impact on our country.
Well, I guess a bag isn't just a bag. Knowing that a fabric, that a mesh is made here in the United States, it's made domestically, means something today more so now than ever.
As America is getting more and more aware of that, there's a lot of concern to make sure that we're not having something that's a fear, a contamination, or bringing in some other product. And we are confident in Volm and the processes that they've put into place to make sure that we don't affect their home.
You know what goes in these bags? All different types of produce. Having a potato put into this bag and knowing that this bag is made from virgin materials, FDA-approved pigments and additives, makes me feel comfortable that my kids can eat this product without having to have any worries about what may be put in it.
I come to work every day because of the people, because the job is interesting, because the industry is changing and it can be really exciting, and because I know I'm appreciated.
As time has gone on, Volm is always giving back to the Antigo community. Being based here in Antigo, small town pride is definitely a part of the Volm atmosphere, part of the Volm culture.
If you want a Christian-based, a moral-based company that cares about their people and how you succeed in your personal life, not just your professional career, it's a great place to be. You know, I think the Mueller-Hunter families genuinely care about all of their people and that we're successful in our personal lives and our professional lives. I think they truly believe that and they're committed to doing those things.
Back in October 2nd, 1999, our firm had a catastrophic fire. It took out 100% of our business. We were shut down. That was on a Saturday afternoon. We just were still harvesting. We had another facility that we were able to move into that was very, very small, but it was completely mothballed and we had no packaging equipment in there. Volm came down, met with us that night, and was able to bring down a bagger from their shed and brought it down on Sunday. We were up and running on Monday morning. We shipped 106 loads that first week and didn't miss a single order for our customers. To me, that's a partner. That's the commitment that Volm has to their customers.